What if you could make an extra $500 every single month? Without a boss, without inventory, and without working every day. Sounds unrealistic? It's not. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how beginners are creating passive income using digital products, even with zero experience. And the best part? Once you create it once, you can sell it forever. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I post simple ways to make money online, especially for beginners in the US. Today I'll walk you through a step-by-step system to realistically hit $500 a month using digital products. No fluff, no scams, just a proven method. First, let's quickly understand what exactly are digital products. These are things you can sell online that don't require shipping. For example, ebooks, templates, printables, Notion planners, Canva designs, online guides. You create it once, upload it, and people can buy it again and again. That's why it's called passive income. Now here's why this works especially well in the US. People are willing to pay for convenience, time-saving tools, ready-made solutions. For example, a busy mom might buy a meal planner. A student might buy a study template. A freelancer might buy a resume kit. You're not selling a product, you're selling a solution. Let's break this down into 4 simple steps. Step 1. Pick a profitable niche. Choose a niche where people already spend money. Best beginner niches: personal finance, weight loss, productivity, side hustles, social media growth. Step 2. Create a simple digital product. Don't overthink this. Use free tools like Canva, Google Docs. Examples: budget planner, workout plan, Instagram content calendar, resume templates. Keep it simple but useful. Step 3. Sell on platforms. You don't need a website. Use platforms like Etsy, Gumroad, Payhip. Upload your product, add a title, description, and price. Start with pricing around $5 to $20. Step 4. Drive traffic. This is key. No traffic equals no sales. Best free traffic methods: TikTok videos, YouTube Shorts, Pinterest, Instagram Reels. Example: make a short video like 3 mistakes ruining your budget. Then link your product in bio. Let's do the math. If your product is priced at $10, you only need 50 sales per month. That's less than 2 sales per day. Totally achievable. And once you create more products, your income stacks up. Avoid these beginner mistakes: making products no one wants, overcomplicating design, not promoting consistently, expecting instant results. This takes effort up front, but pays long term. So yeah, this is one of the simplest ways to build $500 a month passive income online.
Scale slowly. If you found this helpful, hit the like button. Subscribe for more money-making ideas. And comment below. Start if you're ready to build your first digital product. I'll see you in the next video.